Evolve Contact Suite Supervisor is for the supervisor and leadership personnel in your team. Supervisors typically have a couple of key tasks. They are managing their queues, which we're seeing here under the Business Process Monitor. They manage agents. We see that down here below. And they do all of this in real time. Up here across the top is a ribbon showing you how things are going in your various queues. Tech support, not so hot. Contact center, kind of stumbling right now. Everything in customer service and the operator queue look okay. Let's focus in on some of those key tasks, and let's start by talking about our agents. So here we are. We see that we have 3 agents logged in. Kevin is unavailable. He is handling outgoing interactions for the last hour. Agent Ben Edwards, busy, has a phone call and a chat in the tech support queue. Supervisors like to be able to stay in touch with their agents. So as we right click on Agent Ben, we can listen in, commonly referred to as silent monitor. And you see that we have a listen on both the existing web chat as well as the phone call. And on phone calls, you can perform some additional quality tasks as a supervisor. You can click the coach, which is a one-way whisper, and perhaps that interaction isn't going so hot, you can click intervene and take over the interaction. Let's also look at some of the agent dashboards that we have here. We'll drill in on Agent Ben, and we start by getting some key information about the agent's configuration, and then on the performance tab. Hey, so when did that guy get here? Has he been taking, too much break time? Nope. Looks like a little bit too much wrap up. We're starting to, that interactions that Agent Ben is on are starting to add up and be a little bit too long. On the next dashboard, tell me, what has this guy done for me lately? 3 things. Good news, he's not transferring. He's answering the phone call really quickly. Excellent. And then on the last dashboard, oh yeah, that's right. We've got a web chat from Becky in the tech support queue and a phone call from a remote party for the last almost 6 minutes now. All right, let's get back to running queues, the other key responsibility of supervisor. And again, all of this is happening in real time. And I like this view because it's showing me a lot of thresholds and notifications. What I mean by that is here in the contact center, for example, our service level, well, it's dropped a little and we're at risk. So I'm being told, via the yellow color. Our abandoned percentage, however, it's not great at all. So we're already into a red status. And I can see some similar statistics here in the tech support queue. Now over here on the right, I also notice that I'm getting some notifications about insufficient staffing. I only have so many agents. I get that, but I don't have enough here in the tech support queue. So let's go ahead and take care of that. We'll assign some agents to tech support queue. Oh, well, lo and behold, we only have 2 agents in here. So I need Adam. He's really great, but I can only usually use him for like an hour because he's got other things that he needs to do. Alicia, similarly awesome. Let's get a hold of her. A junkie, let's get a hold of her, and we'll go ahead and save those changes. Okay, I'm sure that will help, and this queue will get back on track with the time remaining in our day. We also have dashboards for queues. Let's drill into tech support and show you those. All right, average speed to answer, not excellent at all. The staffing stuff we've kind of already covered. Let's move on to the interaction performance dashboard. All right, so we've done 7 things. Good news, there's nothing waiting. No voicemail. I may have mentioned it earlier. You can have voicemail. I like to turn it into an email, treat it as a channel. Then you can route it and prioritize it, report on it, dashboard it. Everything else looking all right. We've already talked about the abandoned and the service level percentage. Okay, so if you don't like voicemail, or if you maybe want to try something different, we use callbacks. This is a feature that is out of the box with Evolve Contact Suite. It's that Your estimated wait time is 27 minutes. You're the 10th caller in queue. Press any key and we will call you back. And so you have a dashboard for that, of course, and you can see it here. There's not a lot of callbacks happening today. Maybe I need to, as the supervisor, tune that callback experience. I can come onto this page and do that here. And maybe I don't want to try every 5 minutes. I want to try every 15 minutes. And maybe I need to turn callbacks off on Friday. So there you go. There's a taste of Supervisor where you're managing your agents, managing your queues in real time, taking care of staffing as well.